everyone, it's Heidi with the Usborne Experience. Today I just wanted to take a few moments to show you the inside of a few of my very first Usborne books. These, I would say, are kind of like a very first nonfiction textbook for toddlers through first and second graders. I have personally my very first space book, my very first Castles book, and my very first Our World book. I love the pictures in here. This one has great information on the planet Earth, changing seasons, steamy rainforests, and you can see the beautiful illustrations and small chunks of information, frozen poles, and these books are very, very, very thick and sturdy board books, mountain high, rivers, the coast, under the sea, whoa, under the ground, volcanoes, and living in our world. My very first space book, a lot of the same information as our flat books, but presented in a different way. Space School, or as I like to call it, Moon School. Liftoff tells you about the parts of the rocket launch vehicle being prepared for liftoff. I can't even pronounce that. Soyuz spacecraft, booster rockets, astronauts going up to the Soyuz. A service tower keeps the launch vehicle in place. It's really important for our students to know how to maneuver a textbook, and this is a great way to start and show them in a fun way. The space station, living in space, using the toilet, washing using dry shampoo, exercising for 2 hours, receiving deliveries from supply spacecraft. Interesting. Spacewalk, the parts of their suit, the solar system, the sun, life of a star. Oh, that's so fantastic. Great galaxies, looking at space, and then stargazing. The last one I have is on castles. I believe there are some on dinosaurs in the jungle, castle people, what went into building a castle, the inside of castle. How cool is that? This would go really fun with our castle activities books, as well as our Lift the Flap Castle book. We also have a noisy castle, a feast, a day in a castle, around a castle, knights, becoming a knight, jousting, under attack, look out, castle pastimes, and the story of castles. And this is really cool because it goes over the timeline of the development of castles. So these and all of my very first books are only $11.99. Awesome for the library of a budding student. Thanks for watching.